Greetings, friends. Another unboxing. This time I'm going to unbox WeBox. Now, I've been getting WeBox for a while now, because it's a Scottish box, and I do love it. And this theme is the New Year, so that's Hogmanay, and I'll be doing a whole video on traditions and things that you can do on Hogmanay. So I'll tell you how I celebrate it, how some other people celebrate, and then this particular monthly box is about Hogmanay. So we'll see if anything lines up with what I do. So they always give you this nice little magazine, and you know, I feel like I'm the reincarnation of Robbie Burns. So, and then of course there's bagpipes. So I already love this box. I don't care what's in it, but I love it. And I love Robbie Burns. At our Burns banquet, fun fact, even Shakespeare doesn't have an annual dinner. Robbie Burns is the only poet worldwide who has an annual dinner devoted to him. And no matter where you go, chances are the dinner will follow the same pattern with the things that happen. And the thing that I get to do every year is I get to deliver the immortal memory. So I get to talk about all things Robbie Burns. And I love him. So I would have been one of his many girlfriends, I think. So there's a cute little sticker that says Happy Hogmanay. I kind of wish this sticker wasn't stuck to this paper, because I would totally stick that on my laptop. I don't think I can preserve it. I can't. Darn it. Alright, so what do we have? Well, we have Hogmanay shortbread. They always send some kind of cookie. And I'm not sure if this is the same baking company as made the creams before, but oh, it's handmade classic shortbread with cranberries. We Scottish people like our shortbread. And I am a connoisseur of shortbread. Walker's is usually what you get here in the States. Alright, what is this thing? It's not a kilt. It is I'm assuming this is a scarf. This looks like a scarf. So that's very pretty. I don't know what tartan it is. It is not one of my many clans that I have DNA in. But it is very pretty. So that is very nice. What is this? It's a little bag with something in it. Oh, it's a kilt pin. That is a very pretty kilt pin. That is super, super pretty. I have a similar one. It might even be identical. That I got from WeBox, because you can buy some of their older stuff. So, I don't wear this kind of kilt pin on my kilt for when I play pipes. I have traditional kilt pin in one of my clan crests, which is Clan Young. That's the tartan that I wear. But I do wear those on my formal. You have no idea how many Scottish clothes I have, but I have a formal woman's kilt when I go to black tie events. Oh, a little calendar. Actually, I must have gotten the Hogmanay box. I must have been getting this for a year, because I have one of these at work. And it has a little Highland cow on it. They're cute. They have weird hair like I do. Alright, what else is in here? We have just some promotional items, I guess. And there's a big thing in here. No clue what it is. Oh, it's a 100-piece jigsaw puzzle for a castle. So I actually don't do jigsaw puzzles because I lack patience when it comes to them. But it's a tidal island situated at the confluence of 3 sea locks. I don't know how to say this. Loch Long, Loch Alsh, and Loch Duick in the Western Highlands of Scotland. And it's connected to the mainland by a footbridge. Huh. Well, I will have to go see that in March when I'm there. So that's actually really cool. It's only 100 pieces. I could probably sit still for that. If I could sit still and learn pipe tunes, I could sit still and do a puzzle. I don't really have room for a puzzle in my house. My house is full of chaos and people all the time. Hikers galore. But the hikers can help me with that. So, legit, this is a very nice box. I am impressed with it. I like WeBox a lot. The thing that I like most about them, and the reason that I actually get the box, is because all the things that come in the box come from small businesses in Scotland. So it's a way to support small businesses, and I like that idea. So I like supporting small businesses here in the States, and then throwing some love over to my ancestral brothers and sisters. So there was not a brand new set of pipes in here. Very sad about that. Although I'm glad I didn't buy pipes yet, because they have come out with so many new kinds of pipes since I retired, and now the pipes that I thought I was going to get, I don't think I'm going to get. There's some other newer pipes that I've fallen in love with. So one day I will treat myself to a new set of pipes, a new stand-up pipes is what they're called. So anyway, that's the Wee Box, and I love it. And it's definitely worth the price you pay. The shipping is a lot because it's shipping from Scotland, so you're paying more for that shipping than you are for other boxes. But it's worth it because everything comes from Scotland, and I love that. All right, wishing you all the best in light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.